Once upon a time, on a shimmering beach, a curious child found a peculiar seashell that snored softly. As the child pressed the shell to their ear, each snore transformed into an enchanting tale. The first snore spoke of a brave little fish who saved its ocean friends from a fierce storm. The next told of a shy octopus who painted beautiful murals on coral reefs. Each story lulled the child deeper into a world of underwater wonders. As the child imagined swimming with dolphins and dancing with swirling seaweed, they felt sleepy. The rhythmic snores of the shell guided them into a gentle slumber, full of magical dreams. Like and subscribe for more.